Good morning, children. I'm Savita Anand, your teacher from Sanskriti School. But children, why are you looking at me like that? Oh, you're thinking why teacher is wearing a cap? Huh? Yeah, but why am I wearing a cap? I am wearing this cap so that I want you all to think and tell me why do we wear a cap and when do we wear a cap? Huh? Come on, tell me. Huh? Yes, we wear a cap when it's very hot, when you go outside under the sun. Yes, and I know now you remember that yesterday I spoke about a season which is nowadays here in our city, Pune city. Yes, which season I am talking about? Now you remember? Yes, I am talking about summer season, children. Yes, and I told you so many things about the summer season yesterday. No, I am not going to tell you all that again. I told you that summer season makes you feel very hot. Everything around us become hot, and you don't feel so comfortable. Huh? You feel very thirsty, and all that happens. Right, children? All that happens to you. Okay, now children, when you look around, around you, when you go out and you look around, you also see some changes that happens around you. Something looks different. Change means something that looks different than usual. That is change. So, do you observe some changes around you? Children, I observe, when in the summer season, I carefully look around. Children, like, see, I am carefully looking around. Yeah, children, can you see some change here? Can you see? There are some beautiful flowers here. Look here. A rose flower and I can smell it. Beautiful smell. And there are some more flowers there, children, and everything is so green and green and green here, children? So that's what happens in summer season. That's the happy change that happens everywhere. The trees are full of green. The grass is green, the trees are green, and you see so many beautiful, flowers like this blooming around everywhere. It makes everything so colorful. Red, yellow flowers, white and pink flowers, red, purple, and so many different colors of flowers make everything look so beautiful. And children, we love to see that. Wow. So that's the happy changes. And when there are flowers, who will come near them? I know, you know that there are so many butterflies and honeybees and birds also. They love flowers. They come and they sit on this flower and they drink the nectar and they just enjoy the summer season. Wow! So that's something happy that happens around us. Now children, there are something not so happy also happens around us. And what is that? I told you yesterday that you must give some water to the birds, the thirsty birds. I told you that I kept a bowl of water outside for the birds. I'm sure you all must have done that. Have you done it? Please do it if you haven't done that. So the birds and even the animals, children, not just the birds, all the animals, the pet animals around our house and the animals in the jungle, in the forest also. Everybody, feels very thirsty and they don't get to drink enough water. And did you know why they don't get to drink enough water? Because where you see water, flowing water in the river and then water in little ponds and lakes. Do you remember seeing Manas Lake when you come to the school? Yes, there is a lake near our school, a Manas Lake, and if you carefully see it every day, you see when summer comes, the water was this much and it becomes little, reduces, And what makes it happen? Shall I tell you? You watched me carefully, children, okay? Look here. I can't bring the lake here, but this blue thing, can we think that this is lake? This is Manas Lake, children? And suppose this is a Manas Lake and Manas Lake has this much of water, okay? Manas Lake has this much of water. And now summer is setting, the sun is starting to shine brightly. Children, I have a sun also here. Look here. Good morning. Sun is saying good morning to you. This is Mr. Sun. And sun is started to shine very brightly. And what does it do? You know, it sucks up the water from different water bodies. So this is Manas Lake, and now the lake has this so much of water. Now look here, Mr. Sun is here, and now you keep watching. Don't just keep watching Mr. Sun, you watch this water level, you watch this water, and look what happens to the water. Okay, are you watching, children? Yes, look, Mr. Sun is here, and Mr. Sun is sucking up all the water. Children, did you see what happened? The water has gone little down. It is reducing. Oh my God. Oh, the sun is going to be here for some more time, and it's going to shine even brighter. So let's see what happens. It's going to suck up more water. Are you ready to observe again? Keep watching the water. Don't look at the sun all the time. Are you ready, children? See what happens. Mr. Sun, what are you doing? Oh, Mr. Sun, what have you done? The water has become so less now in the lake. Oh, that's why the animals and the birds all struggle so much, you know, in search of water. So that's what happens in the summer season. The water goes down in all the water bodies. And children, as I told you that just like this lake and all, we also have lots of water, Hannah. So we also need to drink. That's why mommy says drink water, drink water. And you don't like to always drink plain water. So it's fun if you get to drink some juice, and it will be more fun if you get to make some. Hannah, you sometimes, you know, mommy don't allow you to cook in the kitchen, but this is some very interesting thing that you can make yourself. Okay? So I'll quickly show you. Are you ready to watch? Huh? See, I have a glass here, and I have something else here, and we are, children, going to make, you know what? I have lemon here. So what do you think I'm going to make? Come on, think. Guesses? Any guesses? Yes? Can you guess? Ah, very right, children. I'm going to make lemonade. Lemonade. You can make it yourself. Only thing is, you can't cut the lemon. Mama must cut it for you, and ask Mama to cut the lemon in small sizes, because your hands are so small, na? Your fingers are so tiny. So you have small size of lemon. Okay. And one more very important thing, children. Yes. Children, see, I have this bottle here, and in the lemon, children, I can see many seeds. I don't know if you can see now properly, but when Mama cut lemon, children, you can see some seeds here, Hannah. So don't throw the seeds away. Save all the seeds in one bottle and save them there. So this is our, children, seed bank. What is this? This is seed bank. So don't throw the seeds always. Save them, and I will tell you next time what to do with these seeds. Huh? So this is my seed bank, children, and I have put all the seeds in the seed bank, right? So let's do it quickly, children. I'm feeling very thirsty, and I'm sure you are also feeling very thirsty. So this is the glass, and I'm going to pour some water here in the glass, children. Yes, enough. Okay, and now I'm going to, what do I do? Should I squeeze the lemon first? It's more fun, Hannah. So you can see also properly. See, I've taken a piece of lemon and I'm squeezing it. What am I doing? Squeezing it. So do it yourself, children, when you make it, huh? Don't let Mama do it. You do it. So look, I am squeezing. I hope you can see the lemon. And look in the water, the lemon juice is, wow, that's lots of fun. So juicy lemon. I've squeezed it very nicely, children, with my fingers. Oh, my finger is getting lots of exercise. Yes, so that's it. Okay, I'm done with this. Now I am taking, children, a spoonful of sugar. Of course, lemonade is sweet. And what will make this lemonade sweet? Sugar. So let me put this sugar. Oh, look at the sugar. It's all going down. Children, I need half spoon more. I like sweet things, you know. I'm putting more half spoon. Yes, that's it. Now, only sugar and lemon juice? No, we need to add little bit of salt also, children. And how much salt, you know? You don't need a spoon for that. You just take one pinch, you know, one pinch of salt and put it. And children, do you remember when you are in the school during the summertime, your teachers and tais gives you something to drink in the glass before you come home? Yes, and you all wait, you know, wait for that to drink. You know what is that? That is called ORS. And you drink the same in the water. You put little bit of sugar and salt, and that is ORS. Of course, we don't put lemon there, but that's very good for you. You know, the salt and sugar both you need in the summer. That's why I am putting one pinch, you know, just one pinch of salt here. And after doing that, I will mix it up. Of course, let me mix. I can hear some sound also while I am mixing it. Yes, mix it well, mix it well. Let's mix it. Yeah. And children, after some time, you know, you will see that the sugar is not there only. Oh, sugar to gayab ho gayi. Oh yes, sugar is gone inside the water, dissolved in the water. And so children, here now, my lemonade is ready to drink. Yeah, look here. Smelling also very good, and I'm sure it will taste also very good. And I am very eager to, you know, children, drink this. But I don't want to drink it alone. And you are not drinking, and how can I drink it? So I don't want to drink. You also, children, go and you can make some lemonade for yourself. And do remember that Mama will cut the lemon for you. You will not do it. And ask Mama to cut the lemon into small pieces for you. Okay? And quickly go, children, and you make some lemonade for you. And then afterwards you drink, and then I will also drink it. We will have a nice time. Yeah, we will enjoy this summer. And please remember to fill that bowl that you have kept outside for the birds. Go and fill that again. Every day you have to do that. Okay, children. So that was so nice today. I really enjoyed showing you these flowers and making this yummy lemonade. And thank you, Mr. Sun. Right, children. So here I go. You also quickly go and make some lemonade for you. Yes. Okay, that's all for today, children. Goodbye, my dear children.